Oh no, we've crashed. We must call an ambulance. Hello, officer. How can I help you? My neck hurts. Please help me. I'm just getting the trolley for you, sir. The trolley's coming now. Here it is. Would you like to get in? We'll just take you to hospital to be on the safe side. Bye. Morning.